I'm Jim, and this is my fearless mountain dog, Frito. I survived 2 major heart attacks and a debilitating stroke that has left my right side permanently numb and difficult to control. Frito is a rejected stray street dog who I rescued from the pound. We have challenged ourselves to a adventurous life living off-grid on a mountaintop. We hope to prove that we may be broken, but we are not beaten. Please join us on our off-grid adventures. My poor neglected sugar cane. Time to go in the ground. I can just hear my sugar cane screaming, "Dad! Dad! Put me in the ground!" It's planting time for the sugar cane. You want to go outside? You want to go outside? Huh? Before I plant sugar cane, need to work out a little problem. I got too much draining out of this pipe at the beginning and not enough gray water coming out down here. So what I'm going to do is cut a section of this pipe and turn it just a little bit so all the water doesn't come out at the beginning of the run. So let's get to work. Didn't quite get it. Try this at home, folks. There we go. Putting it down in the dirt's not a good idea, but I always love working with my hands when I can't control my right side. It's a challenge. Trusty hammer always works. Done. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Dad, leave me alone. Now we're adding compost. So we have happy plants. Happy plants love compost. Yeah, there. Sugar. Bow, 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 bow. Sugar, sugar. I'm on the road cane because I'm slightly insane. Hey, I just made that up. Didn't know it's such a poet. All right, let's spread it out. Sugar, sugar, sugar. I'm growing my sugar cane because it's on my brain. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can't touch that. Boom, 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 boom. Ma. Just trying to make this video entertaining for you folks. I know this is not the most exciting thing in the world. Okay, let's get planting. We start by spacing these out where we want them. Let's try 3 feet apart, see how that works out. More like 2.5 feet, huh? that? Now let's get planting. Frito's inspecting my work. It has to get the Frito seal of approval. What do you think? Huh? Is that gonna work? You're the boss. You get all the credit. That's it? That's all you got to say? Alright, this is a finished product. We got the gray water system in place. Sugar cane is planted. It's up to Mother Nature to do the rest. I trust Mother Nature is better at this than I am. Hopefully by the end of summer, this will be a nice thick wall of sugar cane. That's my optimism. We shall see. Have a good day. This year we're planting sweet corn, green beans, chili peppers, spinach, sunflowers, bell peppers, onions, cucumbers, cabbage, and the ever popular tomatoes. I also have my corn planted in here and sunflower seeds. But I'm doing that inside and letting them start first because the birds always eat them. So to be continued. What do you want? Want me to follow you? Alright, where we're going? Where are we going? Okay, we got everything planted. These are my potatoes, they're coming up. Even the little one right there. I planted 4 more right over here. And we got one coming up from last year. That's a Yukon potato. The rest are russet potatoes. Hopefully I get a better potato crop this year. We got everything planted in here. I got green beans coming up from last year. See right there. And there's going to be cabbage. What else we got? We got chili peppers, cucumbers, and I don't remember. I guess we'll know when they come up. Over here we have our cilantro from last year. We got onions from last year. Planted more onions next to them. Tomatoes in the big middle there. Bell peppers. More bell peppers over here. And, oh, spinach. What's the other thing I planted over here? I don't remember. And that's it. So hopefully after all that, we'll have a good crop, but we'll see. Anyways, bye for now. Frito's all worn out from all this planting. Supervising is really hard work, isn't it, Frito? Wears them out.